You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to enable picture-in-picture for YouTube on your Android device. This feature lets you watch YouTube videos in a small floating window while using other apps. First, ensure you have a YouTube Premium subscription, as picture-in-picture is a premium feature for most regions. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile icon in the top right. Go to Settings, then select General. Look for the picture-in-picture option in the list and toggle it on. If you don't have Premium, you can try enabling it through your device settings. Go to your Android phone's main settings app, tap Apps, then select YouTube from the list. Tap Advanced or Additional Settings, then choose Picture-in-Picture. Make sure the Allow Picture-in-Picture permission is toggled on. Now, when you're watching a video, simply press the Home button or swipe up to go to your home screen. The video should shrink into a small movable window. You can drag this window around and tap it to reveal pause and close buttons. For more simple Android tutorials, subscribe to the channel.